one thing we diesels have always remembered.
And what's that?
We diesels are much stronger than those stinky steamers. After all, we are revolutionary.
Yeah, like a long time ago.
Oh, shut up, James.
But it's the truth.
I can't believe I still dislike steam engines. Especially Alfred. Wait, I thought you hated Thomas.
I did, but after what Alfred has done to this railway, I can't help but feel sorry for him.
You're right. Who needs him anyway? He was just there to take control of us. Well, you know what? If he tries to lay another buffer on us, he's got another thing coming.
Yeah. Although I wonder, where is Alfred now?
Wow, it sure has gone dark very quickly. I don't mind at all, my dear Henry. Besides, I do love having a good long run for my wheels.
And you have to admit, King's Cross does look wonderful at night.
Indeed. We should probably get some sleep here for a change. Good idea, Henry.
Looks like we won't be the only ones sleeping in London tonight.
Why, Gordon, what brings you here, brother? Hello, Scotsman. We've each had special jobs to do from Sodor to London, so that's pretty much why we're here. Well then, feel free to make yourselves... Wait, what's that?
It is! Rocco, it's you!
We haven't seen you in years. What are you doing here?
Well, the Fat Controller decided to let me do some special jobs outside Sodor. That's probably why everyone doesn't see me much these days.
I see.
Oh, and speaking of that, how is Sodor?
It's been horrible.
Oh my, could you please tell me what happened?
Well, do any of you remember Alfred or 98462?
Yes. I'm afraid Gordon did tell me a bit about him a long time ago. Why?
Well, it's a bit hard to say.
That engine came back to Sodor and caused the railway to be in a crisis.
So, what did he do? He ended up making Thomas crash into fuel tankers, putting him out of service and leaving him paralyzed.
What?
Yeah, and just recently he blew up tender sheds.
Oh my goodness! That engine sounds as bad as Gordon told me! But at least we're safe with you, brother. Gordon is right. We're all still together. Now come on, everybody. Let's get some sleep. Good morning, brother. Did you sleep well? Why, sure did, Scotsman. Thank you.
And you better get ready, Gordon. I believe the manager told me that you've got another job to do here.
Don't you worry, Boko. I can handle anything. Shunting? They expect me, a very important express engine, to do some shunting?
Come on, Gordon. It won't be that bad. You're really doing me and Edward a favour.
Mia's right, Gordon. Also, I recall James telling me a long time ago that you actually preferred quiet work for a change.
Once, Edward. I said it once.
Well, you know what they say. Second time's a charm.
By the way, where's Henry? He's gone back to Sodor with the Special Express. Now come on, Gordon. You've got some shunting to do.
Oh, the indignity.
fat controller decided to send me away in disgrace after I blew up the sheds.
Oh, really?
Yes, that's why I've slept in this shed last night.
I suppose you had it coming, my dear engine. So, what will you do now?
Oh, I don't know. I might as well stay in that siding over there.
And I suppose you won't be coming back to Sodor anytime soon.
Oh, don't worry, Gordon. I won't.
I must say, for an important express engine like my brother,
He really did a great job shunting those trucks for you two.
indeed, even if he still thinks that shunting is really undignifying for him. Oh, I wish I could have seen him shunting all those trucks. Well, I must be off. It was great seeing you, Edward.
You too. Farewell.
Right, are you ready, Nia?
Yes, I am, Edward. And just like what I told Thomas, 2 engines are much better than 1.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I am so sorry, Edward.
No, it's okay. Let's just keep up with the job.